Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, make sure that you tap at the touch controls. Touch controls located at the back side of your earbuds, and right here at the top we have a dot at the left earbud and on the right earbud. And this one is touch area, so make sure that you tap on it. If it didn't help you, next step I recommended to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone, so after that we need to open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. Then remove it from the charging case and check it. Also, you may have this problem because you disable touch controls or someone disabled touch controls. To check it, you need to open LG TONE Free application. If you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu here. And right here we have touch function, so now it enable on my phone, but if it disable on your phone, just tap one time at this slider. Also, I recommended to check if you have the last software version, so right here at the main menu, scroll down and go to software update. Hit check for updates, and I have the last software version. If you haven't, install a new one. The last option is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. You need to press and hold at the touch areas, what located at the just give me a moment, so it located at the top, these dots, and you just press and hold on it at the same time until this LED light start blinking red. First it start to blink blue, it's okay, you just keep holding these touch areas, and now we should see, the red LED light. After that you can release your fingers, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, after that click pair new device at the top, and after a factory reset this earbuds enter to print mode automatically, so we just tap on it at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!